Okay, so what is the Evolve program and what does it include? Right.
So as part of the Evolve subscription, workshops get a microsite where they can take bookings 24/7, rego search, service interval lookup, all of those tools that we talked about before. We're educating consumers, educating motorists about the important things and qualifying those customers. We're trying to attract high quality customers into workshops and educating about what's important. Alongside that, our estimate engine, so that allows motorists to be able to put in their rego and pick their service and see how much can I get this service for, what price range at an aftermarket workshop rather than going to the dealership. And the reason that we provide that price range is, as we know and as we discussed before, there's a reason that the cheap ones are cheap and there's a reason that the more expensive ones are expensive. And it's the quality of parts that are going into the car, it's the experience of the workshop. There's all of those variables that those other platforms aren't talking about.
Right.
That's what we're doing with Mechanic.com.au. So once we've vetted those customers, we're delivering those to the workshops that are on the Evolve program. So we're trying to educate customers and get high quality customers into those quality aftermarket workshops.
Fantastic.
But by the same token, as I said before, as much as it is about new customers, it's about providing solutions for existing customers who are behaving in a different way now. They have different wants and needs. So it allows workshops to be able to provide those services to their existing customers as well.
Systematize, optimize, and evolve. It sounds like what the business owners are going to want to, at the very least, look at.
They need to, or they're going to be in trouble. But by whatever means that they do it, we can't keep doing what we've always done. It's not going to continue to work. In the age that we live in, as the years go by, we've got to do something. And as I said, what we're trying to do is package this in a way that works in the workshop's best interest. So, and aside from the online booking and marketing and digital solutions, there's a bunch of other features that come into the fold for Evolve.
And what, beyond the workshop? So behind the scenes?
Yeah, exactly. So as we said before, getting the booking and doing the top of funnel part is important, but there's a lot of other things that we need to look at in our business with our operations, technicians, technology. So there's other components to Evolve, such as Evolve TV. So we've got a lot of fantastic guests lined up as this series continues. So I've got the Evolve TV, which is a great way to be able to consume these things in a really concise way for business owners. We've got Evolve Academy, which is an educational platform to help them follow up on the things that we're talking about in Evolve. What are the action points behind that, and how can I actually leverage those in the business?
Yes.
We've got Evolve Hub, which is a private community of leading aftermarket workshops. So to continue the conversation from Evolve TV to share information and knowledge about improving our businesses.
Right.
As part of Evolve, workshops can search for technicians that are available in their area and post job advertisements as part of the Evolve subscription. So being able to find and recruit technicians is a big challenge at the moment. And as you know, a lot of the technicians on the Mechanic.com.au platform are there because they're hungry, they want to be better, they want to learn. So it's a great opportunity for workshops to keep their finger on the pulse of who's available in my area. There's also discounts on the technical training we do with ATG and a whole bunch of other stuff. So it really is a very value-packed package that we've launched.
It sounds very customer-centric, but also very industry-focused.
Yeah, that's the point. I think a lot of the other solutions that are in the marketplace, they're not first and foremost serving the industry, in our opinion and in the opinion of a lot of other workshops. So what we're trying to do is ensure that what we're doing is working in the workshop's best interest. Mm-hmm. Like, as you know, Mechanic started on the workshop floor. It didn't start in a marketing agency. So, we want to see workshops succeed. We don't want to see, the roller doors come down on workshops that have been around for decades. Yeah. There's no reason that needs to happen. And in our mind, Evolve is a solution that is going to help workshops move forward.
Brilliant. It's a very exciting notion of putting this into the industry at a time when it needs it the most.
It's overdue. Overdue.
And as everything evolves with the community in every industry, it's really good to hear that the automotive industry is going to have a solution moving forward for some of those big challenges that they're facing right now.